Hi, the lid of my lunchbox is broken and I want to try to fix this, to glue it together. So first I make this part a little bit rough using a file. So we will use hot glue. Now I close this door. I'm going to press this part together using a clamp and a piece of wood. Okay, ooh, that's big. That's a big clamp. Okay, so now that these two parts are as close as possible, then we can put this piece here and then add hot glue on it. Okay, so now I press this to here and we'll add hot glue on this part. Very complicated task. Okay, we don't want to move this and we hold it for a while. And after it cools down, then we can add glue on the other side. So maybe I need to add a bit more glue. Alright, so now we'll add glue to the other side. And wait to cool down. Alright, so now a few minutes has passed. So this one is already cold. So I will open this. Okay, so we have the lunchbox here. As you can see, this one clicks, which is a very good sign. Oh, I can open it. Huh? Okay, it's very tight. So that compression is needed so that now we can have this tight click. Okay, so I think this is good. Let me do some fatigue test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is good. All right. So maybe this can work for me for a while and then I will apply new glue on it. Okay, bye.